Omicron COVID-19 variant cases in India jumped by 175 in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of such cases to 1,700 in the country. The variant has been detected in 23 states and union territories in India. Maharashtra has reported 510 Omicron cases so far, the highest among all states and union territories, followed by Delhi with 351 Omicron cases detected so far. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik has said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was very arrogant when he met him to discuss farmer protests. Malik said, "When I told him 500 of our own farmers had died, the Prime Minister said, 'Did they die for me?' I told him, 'Yes, since you are the king.' Malik added, 'I ended up having an argument with him.'" Delhi police have sought information from Twitter about the account that first tweeted about the Bully Buy app. News agency ANI reported. They have asked Twitter to remove offensive content related to the app, which targeted Muslim women, by uploading their photos on it. Further information is reportedly being sought from GitHub platform about the developer of the Bully Buy app. A case has been registered against 9 people, including Wasim Rizvi, Yati Narsinghanand and Annapurna at Jwalapur police station in Haridwar in connection to the Dharam Sansad hate speech case, according to Director General of Police Ashok Kumar. A 5-member special investigation team has been constituted to probe the case. The SIT will be headed by an officer of the Superintendent of Police level. The centre today refuted media reports alleging that expired COVID-19 vaccines were being administered in India and termed them false and misleading. It said the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization has approved the extension of the shelf life of Covaxin from 9 months to 12 months, and for Covishield, it has extended from 6 months to 9 months. Israel recorded the first case of a mixture of 2 diseases, influenza and coronavirus, dubbed Flurona. It was detected in a pregnant woman who tested positive for both influenza and coronavirus. Gynecology Department Director of Beilinson Hospital in Petah Tikva city said. Israeli Health Ministry said it is studying the case to determine whether the combination can cause serious ill health. The Taliban in Afghanistan have ordered clothing shop owners to remove the heads of the mannequins at their stores. The Ministry for the Propagation of Virtue and the Prevention of Vice in Afghanistan's Herat province issued the instructions. The Times reported. Ministers described the mannequins as statues and claimed that they were being worshipped, which is prohibited under Islam.